Okay, we're going to start lesson 6.6, which is solving absolute value equations. Our goal here is to solve absolute value equations just with one variable, though. Okay, so let's start by thinking here. You can hold your if you can hold your arms out. Kind of imagine if there's a line that goes right down the center of your body, and you hold your arms out. What distance would your left hand be from the center and your right hand be from the center? Now, for the guy that we have right here, if this is the line that goes right down the center of his body, kind of right about right there, that's that line that goes down the center, what he should see is this. He should see that this distance from here to here, right there, and the distance, I guess that would be his right arm, and then the distance from the center to his left arm should be about the same. Only in odd circumstances it would not be the same. So think a bit about that when you think about absolute value. Absolute value is a distance. There's really no positive or negative associated with it. Anytime you talk about a distance, you always say, well, I'm going to walk 3 miles, or you might jog 3 blocks or something like that. But it's always a distance. You never say that you're going to drive -2 kilometers. That really never happens. So we'll come back to the drawing of the man, or the thought about how far your arms are as they extend, but we're going to quickly do a definition. And the definition looks like this. An absolute value equation is an equation. Notice that we're dealing with equations right here, not inequalities right now, of the form. And it's going to look like this. So the form looks like absolute value of these brackets right here is going to be a number attached to an x plus a number, so we read that as ax plus b. All that equals c, and c can kind of be thought of as the distance. Now moving down just a little bit, we're going to kind of go quickly through here. Don't worry too much about what this says. The big thing on this one is right here. When c is less than 0, we really can't deal with it. That's kind of what it's saying. We're really dealing with c being greater than 0. So if this ever happens where c is less than 0, what we need to know is this has no solution. No solution. So what we can write in here is that the big deal here is that when that absolute value right here, absolute value always indicates a number that is not negative. So that c is never negative. Again, let's go back to distance. Distance is never expressed as negative.